Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search while looking for a cruise that you would like to book on the Carnival HUB application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then select your departure and destination points and the date and search for a cruise that you are interested in and that you would like to book. And here you can see the results, and then click on this filter button down below in the right side corner of the screen to apply your filters. First of all, you can sort it by low to high or high to low in terms of price. Then you can select the date once again that are the most suitable for you, so you can select more than one, as you can see. Then you can set the duration as well, the number of days, and then the number of guests can be added. The deals can be selected as well. If you tap on it, you can add the state of residency, age, and the savings. Then you can apply filters in terms of the ship. Here you can add more than one, as you can see. Just tap on the relevant ones that you are interested in. Then you can set the vacation budget, meaning that you can indicate the price range that you are willing to spend on this cruise, so just use this slide. Or you can also type in the minimum and maximum price into the two boxes below, and then you can see the specialty sailings. When you are done applying the filters, click on the See Results button down below on the right side corner, and you will be able to see the available results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.